Hey guys, so today we are giving away our $5,000 expert advisor for MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4, which you can see trades only the real trends and passes the contraction and expansion. Contraction is when the price of gold tightens down, and expansion is the time when the market makers and brokers start to manipulate the market for their favor. So they set up themselves and their positions to or for the real trend, which comes after the expansion. In the expansion phase, most traders lose their money and they hit their stop losses. So our expert advisor is able to skip those two phases and only trade with the real trend, and that's why it's able to make all this money. Actually, for today, I'll show you two things. First, let's show you the gains that we had only two days ago with gold. And you can see here, open initial position of one lot size almost for this account size. And it had opened it at 4,589 when the trend broke. And we reached 4,626. On the chart, you can see that gold was trading around 4,000, and then 2 days ago it did break out with this big trend, so 600 almost 600 points. Now our trader did, or expert advisor was able to score this much money in one day, in one trade. So opened initially this position, then these are the multiplication. Now the multiplication and a trend trader trading must have these settings. So trade enabled must be true, and then the market phase filter must be true, and then if you go down all the way to multiply winnings, you have to enable that, and then you can set how many positions to multiply with, and the multiplication factor, and the cap size of the lot size, the maximum lot size it can do. So these three settings, if you set it correctly, then you will be able to make a lot of money. So if we start with only $10,000 from January 1st, 26 all the way to 23rd of August 26, which is today, you can see how much money it made by the end of the 23rd of August 26, almost $2 million. So this is all yours to test as much as you want, and happy trading.